Hello everyone, my name is Esa-Laine and I'm a practical shooter from Finland. 2022 I was pistol wetsuit in Thailand and I was in Finnish national team and I was 14th at seniors and our team took 5th place 2023. I was in shotgun wetsuit which was in Thailand also. I was 4th place and our team took gold. And this year, 2024, I was in rifle wetsuit. I shot with the bolt action and I took senior gold and overall bronze. And most recent, I was in Nordic Championship with the shotgun and I took senior gold, overall gold and team gold. Today I want to talk about RangeNord Stage Saver. Okay, it comes with a nice package and here is good instructions how to put it on. It looks good and outcome is well finished. It's very smooth. M3 double side tape is already put it on and it's little bit soft, so I think this holds very good in shotgun. It's very light, only few grams, and there is 2 holes here, so if you really want you can put some small screw here also with the tape, but M3 is very high quality tape, so I think that's enough. I test this with the shotgun shell and I noticed that it moves very smooth and this way, but it holds very well at the upwards, so it cannot become accidentally very easy. So I think this is very good, and also if you put it all in, it's not coming out if you push it here. So I think design is very good with this. Alright, let's put it on. Make sure you remove all the grease. And I clean it here. This is a Beretta 1301 Compro and this is plastic, this original forend, and I planned to put it in here because in practical you want to have that plan B close as possible to the ejection port. Tomorrow we can try it. Okay, let's see tomorrow. Hello again. I tested this about 30 times and it did not slip off when firing or when I pull it into the chamber. And the tape also holds perfectly. So I recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you at the shooting competitions. Bye.